How to fix Discord bug. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this, when it's opening, just go directly to apps option, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found it, just click on it and go to storage option and click on clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.